Hey guys, Adam back again with another video. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of my new vlog rig. So let's get into today's video and I'll show you me unboxing this new vlog rig, which will help me make some good quality videos. So yeah, here's the box and here's what it looks like. It's called Vlogger Kit. And it's definitely helpful for me making better quality videos, and it will mean I'll be able to make videos during the night time when it's dark as well, because it will, as you can see, it's got this light that comes with it. So let's crack this open. Try not to damage anything in the box. Right, and it comes in this nice, beautiful case. As you can see here, it's proper professional like, this case, and you can use it as a hand carry on as well. So if you were just like going on a plane or anything, just with this and your passport, then this will be ideal. It really will. So let's see the contents of what is inside this vlogger kit. Right, so what I can see so far is we've got the windshield muffs for the microphone, the cables for the microphone as well, in this nice packaging, the user manual as well, which is always best to have a user manual if you are just starting to use it. The phone holder for the actual phone, and the slot that has, if you can see there, it has the slot for the microphone that goes right there as well. The light with the port to charge it in, and all the settings for dimming it or so on and so forth as well. And here's the microphone. Pretty good microphone, yes. And there for the lead to go into as well. And I've just dropped the microphone, but oh well. It's in its packaging, so it's safe. Let's get a closer look at this microphone in person. So, here's the microphone. As you can see, it's good quality. It's very sturdy, as you can tell. So that will be helpful in when it's windy, especially with some windshields it comes with as well. And here's the main thing that it also comes with as well. The tripod, which looks to be very sturdy tripod, as you can see here. This tripod also does extend, and it also clicks into place as well, and you can use it like that, with the phone being on here with the phone attachment as well. Then it extends out like that. So you can do like selfie modes and all sorts when vlogging or taking photos for that matter. Pretty good standard tripod. It really is. Here's the shock mount for the microphone. Pretty bob standard, as you can see. And there's where it's attached to the phone mount right there. It really is good. And a clicky device to help you with when you're shooting video or photos. I've got one already here, which I do use when I'm out and about. But it's always good to have extra remote shutters if you lose one. It really does help. It is pretty standard tripod. And you can open the legs up like that. And you can put it down like that when you want to talk at the bench or something. It's a pretty bob standard tripod, and it clicks back into place when you're about to put it away. Then that just goes in like that. There's me unboxing my gear for making new videos coming soon as well. It is pretty good, all this stuff, and this light is absolutely massive. Like, it's the size of my hand. It's that good. It's gonna be good when I am doing evening vlogs in and around the town, or anywhere else for that matter if it's dark. So stay tuned for some good vlogs and videos of the evening time, which means no more darkness, which is good. So if you like this video, please leave a like down below. Comment on what do you think to these pieces of equipment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and ring that notification bell and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So until next time here on Adam's Adventures, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.